My dear friends, if you will keep on talking, I'll be spending my time like this, and you know very well that my meter is on. Once I stand here, my meter is on. You do understand what is the meaning of that meter is on. It is not organization money, it is your money, your parents' hard-earned money. So if you keep on talking, I'll be standing. Anyhow, I'm getting for that. Standing here, I'm getting, not for my knowledge. For my time, I'm getting money. Think, you want that I should take free of cost all this money, your hard-earned money. If you think like that, don't worry, I'll give you my account number. You can transfer all the money, whichever is overflowing in your account. I'm not scolding you. Come on, keep on smiling. Anyhow, what you discuss, I did not understand. What you discuss? అంటే మ్యారేజ్ తర్వాత చాలా ఉంది డిస్కస్ చేయడానికి ఫ్రెండ్స్తో. మ్యారేజ్ ముందు వాట్ యూ టాక్ విత్ యువర్ ఫ్రెండ్స్? ఎప్పుడు మ్యారేజ్ అవుతుందేమో. Anyhow, my dear friends, coming back to the topic. So we have discussed the topic that was calendar. So next topic, before going for the new topic, let me ask you, are you aware of the term relative speed or else relative velocity? When two objects are moving, speed of one object with relation to other, we call it as relative speed or else relative velocity. When two objects are moving in the opposite direction, what is relative speed? Plus or minus? Minus. Plus. Minus. Opposite minus. Minus minus. Plus plus. My dear friend, why this type of confusion? Not only in aptitude, even in your technical subject, if you have confusion between two concepts, there are two ways to remember it. One way is attach some story. You will remember the story, you will remember the concept. Second way is find out the reason. Why we do like this? If you know the reason, never you will get confused. Because I still remembered when I was in my 4th standard, one day class test was conducted. Class test on social studies. 10 questions were given. Every student in my section got some or the other marks, and I got Aryabhatta. 0. You can even call it as Alia Bhatt. I got Alia Bhatt. Because my different questions were like that. First question they asked was, name the 9 planets according to the sun. I know 9 planets name, but they are asking according to the sun. Never they took me to space, never they have shown how it is arranged. How can I know according to the sun? Second question was, which is the biggest planet? Never they took me to lab to measure any planet. How can I know which is the biggest planet? Third question, which is the smallest planet? All the questions were like that. That is the reason I got Aryabhatta, 0. So that sister, because missionary it was, sister, teacher, who used to teach me social studies, she asked me, what is the problem with you? I said, sister, I know all the 9 planets name, but here you are asking according to the sun. I don't know that. She asked me, are you good at by hearting? Batti kotagaltara. Ratne mein tum tej ho. I said, yes, sister. You can give me anything, I will by heart. So she gave me one sentence to by heart. I by hearted that sentence. The sentence was, my very educated mother just shows us 9 planets. I by hearted that sentence. My very educated mother just shows us 9 planets. Then she explained me, my very educated mother just shows us 9 planets. This is the arrangement according to the sun. M is Mercury, V Venus, E Earth, M Mars, J Jupiter, S Saturn, U Uranus, N Neptune, P Pluto. At that time Pluto was there when I was studying. Now it is not there. So my dear friend, I got the arrangement. I felt very happy. Immediately I asked sister, how about the second question? Second question you have asked, which is the biggest planet? Then she explained me, see these 9 planets, we call it as solar family because their mother, father is sun. Means these are the children of sun. Means among themselves they will be brothers, sisters. Let's say these 9 brothers went to studio to take some photograph where the elder brother will stand. I thought for some time, I said in photograph, elder brother will stand in the middle. 4 brothers this side, 4 brothers this side. She said yes, exactly in the middle. Which planet is there? Jupiter. This is the eldest brother, this is the biggest planet. My dear friend, there is no such story, but she is creating the story for me so that I can remember the story, I can remember the complete concept. Immediately I asked sister, how about the smallest planet? Then she said me, see, these 9 are the children of sun. Youngest kid of any parent will be very close to the parent, very close to sun, which is there, Mercury. This is the youngest brother, this is the smallest planet. See, she created the story for me. Up till today I remembered. No confusion at all. So my dear friend, I will not create the story. I will tell you the reason. In relative speed, why we add or why we subtract. We will discuss the reason so that we should not get confused. I think you know the place called as Ayodhya. You know this place? Who stays there? Ram, very good. Bhagwan Ram, Lord Rama. Ram stays there. All alone, bachelor, staying in hostel, preparing his own food. Or with Ram, someone else is also there. With Ram, Lakshman, still Bharat, Satrugna, Ravan, Vibhishan, Meghnad, Kumbhakaran. All male members only. Females, where they went? For kitty party. With Ram, female. Sita, very good. Ram and Sita, good. What is the blood relation between them? No blood relation. Blood relation doesn't mean that blood should match. If it is like that, all the B positive group will become one blood relation. My dear friend, they have blood relation. They are wife and husband. Wife and husband also comes under the blood relation. Anyhow, we'll discuss this topic, blood relation, later on. So, how many of you are married here? Sorry, I forgot, I am married. Anyone else? So, my dear friend, because you are not married, you don't know. I am married. With my personal experience, I can say, sometimes wife and husband, they will fight. Reason will be very small, but fight will be very big. World war will be there. So, I am just taking one example. It is not there in Ramcharitmanas or Ramayana. It is just one example. Okay? I am not trying to hurt anyone's beliefs or faith. Example it is. Okay, Ram and Sita, they are also wife and husband. So, one day what happened? For example, they started fighting for some reason. Slowly, fighting became very big. Such a big fighting that Sita became completely angry with Ram, and she said that I don't want to stay with you. Saying like that, Sita started running in the east direction with the speed of 100 km/h. My dear friend, this is normal speed. At that time, this was normal speed. You must be knowing that generation wise our size is going on decreasing, our strength is going on decreasing, physical strength is going on decreasing. At that time, this was normal speed, 100 km/h. Now Ram, the husband normally they have a lot of ego problem. So as Sita said, I don't want to stay with you. Ram said, who want to stay with you? Saying like that, Ram started running in the west direction with the speed of 80 km/h. Kokam takwa, unke speed takwa. Okay. So now they are running in same direction or opposite direction? Opposite direction, because one is going east, another is going west. Direction is opposite. Now coming to Sita. Why Sita is running? Purpose. She is going High Court for divorce? No. Why she is running? She is angry, means she can break her head. I am asking her why she is running. Why running? To be away from Ram. She wants that the gap between me and Ram should be more and more. For that she is running. Now why Ram is running? He also wants the same thing. The gap between me and Sita should be more and more. It means two people are trying to do the same work. They are working for the same purpose. One person came, he is painting the room. Another person came, he is also painting the room. So both the person are working for the same purpose. Room should get painted. It means both the person efforts will be added. Tap is filling water in the tank. Tap is also filling water in the tank. Then tap effort and tap effort will be added, because both are working for the same purpose. They are trying to fill the tank. Here both are working for the same purpose. They are trying to increase the gap between them. So two people working for the same purpose, it means their efforts get added. That is the reason in opposite direction we add the speed to get the relative speed. Are you getting me? But my dear friend, this is not only opposite direction. Running towards each other. This is also opposite direction only. Are you getting me? Because this person is going in the west, this person is going in the east. Direction is opposite. You must have seen in old movies, hero and heroine running towards each other in slow motion. Why this person is running? Sir, smiling kaadu, reason cheppali sir. Smiling sir, why running sir? Why this person is running? To decrease the gap between them. Why this person is running? To decrease the gap between them. Again, two people are working for the same purpose. They are trying to decrease the gap between them. So two people working for the same purpose, it means their efforts get added. That is the reason in opposite direction. We add the speed to get the relative speed. Now same direction. Same direction you can see in running race competition. Let's say this is the starting point of the race and this is the end of the race, the flag. Okay. All the participant, all the contestant will start from starting point. Whoever reaches flag first is the winner. Let's say two participants are there, two contestants A and B. A and B both will start at the same time from the starting point. Whoever reaches flag first is winner. Though both started at the same time from starting point, but after some time if you observe, you will find A will be here running towards flag, B will be here running towards flag. They are running in same direction or opposite direction? Same direction. Now coming to A. A can think like this, anyhow I am front, anyhow I am going to win the race, let us take some rest, have some tea, coffee and again run. Do he think like that and decrease his speed or stop? No. He knows very well I have a gap between me and B, but he wants that this gap should go on increasing, that much good it will be for me, I can win the race. So still he keeps on running. Now coming to B. B can think like this, anyhow A is front, anyhow A is going to win the race, you only go and win the race, I am not participating. Do he says like that and stop? No. He knows very well I have a gap between me and A, but he wants that this gap should decrease, I should overcome A and win the race. A want gap should increase, B want gap should decrease. Two people working for exactly opposite purpose. One person came, he is painting the room. Another person came, he is rubbing that. Then we have to subtract, because one paint should be done, another one paint should not be done. Tap is filling water in the tank, tap B is taking out water from the tank. Then we have to subtract, because one want to fill, another want to empty. Here one gap should increase, another one gap should decrease. Two people working for exactly opposite purpose, it means their efforts get subtracted. That is the reason in same direction we subtract the speed to get the relative speed. Same direction always subtract, opposite direction always add. I said you the reason, in future you should not get this confusion. Is it clear? Yes? Everyone? No doubt this relative speed concept will be useful to you in time and distance topic. But right now I am not saying time and distance topic. One more place, this also you are writing. Very good, right? Ram, Sita, in the middle Lakshman is also there. He is thinking which side I should go. So this relative speed concept, as I was saying, it will be useful to you in time and distance topic. But right now I am not saying time and distance topic. One more topic where this relative speed concept will be useful. The topic after the calendars, the topic that is clocks. Clocks. My dear friend, I think all of you know how to see timing in the clock. Andar gocha? Yes, no? Yes? I am talking about analog clock, not the digital clock. Digital clock, my son is 3 years old. He also says, Papa, it is 4:40. I am talking about analog clock. Everyone knows? Very good. So any moment of the time, if you are coming to Hyderabad, you are most welcome to my office. As you will enter my cabin, just behind my chair, you will find a clock like this. And very first question, people who come for interview, I ask them, what is the time shown on this clock? (12:30), 12:30. (11:30), 12:30. See, some candidate they come and they say, sir, it is 12:30. I say them 12:30, what it is doing at 12? It should be in between 12 and 1. If it is 11:30, it should be in between 11 and 12, not at 12. Some people they come and say, sir, your clock is not working. I take them near the clock, listen the sound, tick tick sound is coming, it is working. Some people they come and say, no sir, it is exactly 12 o'clock, but minute hand became loose and it has fallen down, so it became like this. Different people come out with different opinion. But let me tell you, we know that this marks, it stands for 12, 3, 6, 9. 12 and 6 will be exactly opposite to each other, and 3 and 9 exactly opposite to each other. With the pair of 3 and 9, minute hand, hour hand, exactly opposite to each other, the timing made can be 3:45 or else 9:15. In 3:45, minute hand will be exactly at 9, but hour hand won't stay at 3. It will go very near to 4. So this timing is not possible. In 9:15, minute hand will be exactly at 3, but hour hand won't stay at 9. It will go somewhat away from 9. So this timing is also not possible. Now taking the pair of 12 and 6, two hand, minute hand, hour hand exactly opposite to each other, timing made can be 11:30 or else 12:30. Both the timings are not possible because in both the timing, no doubt minute hand will be exactly at 6. But hour hand in this case, it won't be at 12. It will be in between 11 and 12. And in this case, in between 12 and 1. So only possible timing is 6 o'clock. With lakhs of people, you have to think out of the box. Are you getting me? Depending on the position of the hands. So anyhow, this is not important for gate, it was important for placement, so I said. Moving further for the gate, let us understand. First of all, we have to understand minimum how many hands will be there in the clock? 3 hands. What are those? Hour hand, minute hand, second hand, alarm hand, temperature hand, pressure hand, weekdays hand, date hand, day hand, month hand, year hand. These won't be there. How many of you have visited Hyderabad? Raise your hand. 1, 2, 2.5, 3, 3, 1 by 4, 7, 7, 1 by 3. What is this? Shirdi Sai Baba. Very good, very good. This is what we HR call it as body language. Anyhow, we'll discuss after completing the complete syllabus regarding placement, body language, all this. So coming back to here, someone raised their hand. Someone raised hand here. Yes, sir. What are the places you have seen in Hyderabad? What are the places you have seen? No, tourist spots. Nothing. Okay, you went for your project work to Naresh Technology, Amirpet. They gave you the project certificate. You came back, paying them money. Okay, very good. Here this side, someone else raised their hand. Yes, sir. What are the places you have seen in Hyderabad? Charminar. What you saw in Charminar? Charminar. 1, 2, 3, 4. Charminar, sir. Very good. What else? Bangles. I do understand. It happens. For bangles, we have to go from Vizag to Hyderabad. Really, it's very painful. Okay, very good, very good. Tourist spot, what you have seen? Tourist spots. Golconda you have seen, Golconda Fort. What else? Charminar, Golconda, Bangle Store. That's it. Okay, someone else raised their hand. Back. Now they are not keeping their hand up. No, sir. I didn't went for Bangle Store, sir. I went some other place. I won't raise my hand. I cannot disclose. Okay, this side, others. Who has raised their hand? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. What are the other places except Golconda Fort, Charminar? Yes, sir. Eden Garden. Eden Garden is in Kolkata. NTR Garden. Very good. And Lumini Park. NTR Garden opposite Lumini Park. You have not seen Lumini Park? Very good. What are the other places? No, except him. Extra. Zoo Park, very good. What else? Hussain Sagar. You jumped in that? No? Very good. What else? That's it. Here? Wonderlaw. Inga? Same places. Very good. One of my students, she came from Ramchandra Engineering College, Elluru. I think you know Elluru, that is in Andhra Pradesh. Ramchandra Engineering College. She came to Hyderabad and she called me. At that time I was in Delhi. She called me and she asked me, sir, tell me what are the places to see in Hyderabad. I said, dear, it depends how many days leave you are having. Because she is working with TCS. I asked her how many days leave you are having. She said, sir, 15 days leave was there, already 7 days completed, remaining 8 days in hand. I said, okay, in 7 days you must have seen Hyderabad. Tell me what are the places you have seen, remaining I will help you out. She said, no sir, you tell me what are the places to see, I will tell you whether I have seen or not. I said, okay. I said, Charminar. She said, saw sir. Golconda Fort, saw sir. Ramoji Film City, saw sir. I said, Nehru Zoological Park. She said, no need to see sir, at home so many people are there. I said, okay. Then I asked Necklace Road, saw sir. NTR Garden, saw sir. Lumini Park, saw sir. Snow World, saw sir. Whatever I was asking, she said that she has seen. I said, dear, these are only the places to see. Now leftover is only shopping malls and theatres. She asked me, sir, have you ever been to Chomalla Palace? I asked, what? She said, Chomalla Palace. I said, no dear, this is the first time I am listening this word. What is this Chomalla Palace? She said me, sir, once you come back to Hyderabad, please visit this place. I said, you extraordinary place to visit, you will remember me. The day I came from Delhi to Hyderabad, I started searching where is this Chomalla Palace. While going to Nehru Zoological Park, just behind High Court, I got this Chomalla Palace. Yes, she was correct. Very neat and clean, very beautiful. Actually, Golconda Fort is the palace of Nizam, where Nizam used to stay. And Chomalla Palace and Falaknuma Palace, these are the guest house. Guest house means when outsider king used to come, they used to stay there, meeting used to be held. Golconda Fort is half destroyed, but Chomalla Palace yet maintained. Very neat and clean, very beautiful, nice chandelier. There I saw one watch is there, a Britishers' time. It is not only showing you the timing in hours, minutes, second. It is even saying you which day is running today, which month is running today, which year is running today. My dear friend, maximum it can be so many hands. My question was, minimum how many hands should be there in the clock? Minimum 2 hands. What are those? Hour hand and minute hand. There are so many watches in the market which don't have the second hand, but 2 hand compulsory will be there, that is hour hand and minute hand. Now we will consider only 2 hands, hour hand, minute hand. Now hour hand, minute hand, they run in the same direction or opposite direction? Same direction. Hour hand from this side, minute hand from this side. Same direction, sir. Same direction, you call it as clockwise, clockwise direction. And in same direction, relative speed, what we should do? We should subtract, minus, very good. Now let us understand, the dial of the clock will be in the form of a circle. Am I right? Such a big circle, how many degrees measurement? 360 degree. Small circle? 360 only. I thought it will be less. Okay. So 360 degree, they divide into 12 numbers, that is 12, 6, 3, 9, 10, 11, 8, 7, 5, 4, 2, 1. It means 360 degree, they are dividing into 12 parts. So each part is of how many degrees? 30 degree. Every number is having a gap of 30 degree or a distance of 30 degree. 3 to 4, 30 degree distance. 11 to 12, 30 degree distance. 7 to 8, 30 degree distance. 5 to 8, 30, 30, 30, 90 degree distance. Every consecutive number is having a gap of 30 degree or a distance of 30 degree. Now let's see the minute hand. If minute hand has to cross any one consecutive number, means minute hand is right now at 4, but it should go to 5. So in order to go from 4 to 5, how much time minute hand will take? 5 minutes. 4 నుంచి 5 వరకు వెళ్ళడానికి ఎంత టైం పడుతుంది minute hand కి? 5 minutes. అంటే minute hand is covering a 30 degree gap in 5 minutes time. So 30 degree distance, minute hand covers in 5 minutes. Distance by time, this is the speed. So what is the speed of minute hand? It will be 6 degree per minute. Every minute it is covering a distance of 6 degree. Clear? Now let's see the hour hand. Let's see the R hand. If R hand has to cross any one consecutive number, means R hand is right now at 7, but it should go to 8. So how much time it will take to go from 7 to 8? 1 hour or else 60 minutes. Means R hand is covering this 30-degree gap in 60 minutes time. So what is the speed of R hand? It is half degree per minute, or else you can even call it as 0.5 degree per minute. This is the speed of R hand. And you said me, sir, both are going in the same direction. So same direction means what will be the relative speed of R hand and minute hand? You have to subtract. How much it will come? 5.5 degree per minute. This is the relative speed of R hand and minute hand. This is exactly the concept we are going to use in the clock. No formulas, no further shortcut. Just the relative speed of 5.5 degree per minute. How to use this concept? What are the types of questions they give in the clock? All we'll discuss. First, if you wish, you can write this down. And while writing, my dear friend, write this complete relative speed. Don't write like me, RS. Because if you write RS, after 2 months, same notebook will say RSS. RS will convert into RSS. So write the complete name, relative speed. So till the time others are writing, I would like to know from you all, how many of you are not from Andhra Pradesh? Raise your hand. One. Only one. He is also. He is from Lahore, Pakistan. Sir, you are from Chhattisgarh. So you know Telugu? You know Hindi? You know Bengali? Chhattisgarh. Oriya you know. Chhattisgarh is border of Oriya. Chhattisgarh where? Very good. So in Chhattisgarh also different colleges are there. Bhilai, Durg. Why you came to Andhra Pradesh? Okay. So not Chhattisgarh is not a good place to study. Comparatively, is it? Come on, it's a good place. No? You go to Chhattisgarh frequently? No? Yes? Good. Anyone else who is not from Andhra Pradesh? Sir? You are from Andhra Pradesh? Sit and say, sit and say. You are here and there in Andhra Pradesh. Here and there in Andhra Pradesh? बीच में कहाँ के बीच में? आंध्र प्रदेश ओडिशा के बीच में. Okay, where you vote? In Andhra Pradesh or in Odisha? Both the places. Whenever election is Andhra Pradesh, Jagannath. Whenever Odisha, there. Andhra only you vote. But in border you have that benefit now. You can vote anywhere. Cross this, vote that side. So there also you go and vote. What's that? Okay, good, good. Others? All are from Andhra Pradesh. Ma'am, you are from? Andhra Pradesh. Where? Andhra Pradesh where? Srikakulam. Very good. Ma'am? Srikakulam, Neenguda, sir. Under Srikakulam lo unte Neenguda Srikakulam. Vizag city. Very good. Vizag. Vizag, sir. Ankapalli, yes. Vijayanagaram. Vijayanagaram, again it goes border to Orissa. I think Palasa, that area. Very good. Srikakulam. Good. Vizag. Vizag. Vizag, good. So anyhow, let us come back. We'll discuss why I asked you from which place you belong. Because main reason was language should not be the barrier. Okay, I am trying my level best to explain in Telugu, but I don't know Telugu, still I am learning. A few words I know. But whatever I know, Swachhamaini Telugu I know. మీ అమృత్ హస్తాలతో ఆ పెన్ నాకు ఇస్తారా? I know pure Telugu. Anyhow, my dear friend, coming back to the question, we were discussing that we are going to concept the relative speed of 5.5 degree per minute, no further formulas and shortcuts. First of all, we have to understand what type of question they give in the clock. There are three different patterns of the question they will give you in the clock. The very first pattern, what they will do, they will give you one particular time and they will ask you that particular time, what is the gap between the hour hand and minute hand? Hour hand, minute hand మధ్యలో how much degree angle will be formed? అంటే టైం ఇస్తారు, రెండు హ్యాండ్ మధ్యలో యాంగిల్ ఎంత ఫామ్ అవుతుంది అది అడుగుతారు. టైం ఇచ్చి యాంగిల్ అడుగుతారు. They will give you the time, they will ask you the angle. Second pattern is exactly reverse of this. They will give you one angle and they will ask you this angle will be formed at what time? అంటే ఫస్ట్ ప్యాటర్న్ లో టైం ఇచ్చి యాంగిల్ అడుగుతారు, సెకండ్ ప్యాటర్న్ లో యాంగిల్ ఇచ్చి టైం అడుగుతారు. And the third pattern is gain or lose. Some of the watches, even if you correct, slowly it becomes fast. We call it as gaining watch. Some of the watches, even if you correct, again it slow down. We call it as losing watch. So all these three patterns using the relative speed of 5.5 degree per minute. Now how to use this concept? Whatever may be the question in the clock, make your hour hand stable. Don't move the hour hand. Move only the minute hand. And instead of moving your minute hand at 6 degree per minute, you move your minute hand at 5.5 degree per minute. If you move your minute hand at 5.5 degree per minute, it means hour hand movement got included in that. No need to separately move the hour hand, you can keep the hour hand at one place. Are you getting me? अपने आर हैंड को एक ही जगह रखिए, सिर्फ मिनट हैंड को घुमाइए और मिनट हैंड को आप 6 डिग्री की स्पीड में ना घुमाकर मिनट हैंड को या 5.5 डिग्री की स्पीड से घुमाइए. अगर आप मिनट हैंड को 5.5 डिग्री स्पीड से घुमाएंगे तो क्या होगा, आर हैंड की मूवमेंट उसमें इंक्लूड हो जाएगी. आपको सेपरेटली आर हैंड घुमाने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. आर हैंड को आप एक ही जगह रख सकते हैं. తెలుగు లో కూడా చెప్పాలా? నో? క్లియర్ కదా? మీన్స్ ఇన్ ఫ్యూచర్ యూ షుడ్ నాట్ గెట్ దిస్ డౌట్, సార్ అంతసేపులో ఆర్ హ్యాండ్ కూడా ముందుకు వెళ్తుంది. No doubt, our hand is also going further. But why we are not taking our hand further? Because our hand movement we have included in minute hand only. That is the reason we'll keep our hand at one place. Clear? Now first pattern. First pattern I said they will give you one particular time and they will ask you angle between the two hands. Let's say the particular time what they are providing, that is some rounded off time. Rounded off time like 2 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 9 o'clock. Like this the timing they are providing, rounded off time. So whenever rounded off time is given, where will be the minute hand? Exactly 12 no untadi. Am I right? Minute hand will be exactly at 12. And hour hand depending on the time given. Hour hand depending on the time given. 4 o'clock means hour hand will be at 4. So 4 o'clock how much gap will be there? 4 times 30 degree gap. 4 times 30 degree gap means how much gap will be there? 120 degree angle will be there at 4 o'clock. 9 o'clock how much gap will be there? 9 times 30 degree. 9 times 30 degree gap means 270 degree angle will be there. 2 o'clock 2 times 30 degree 60 degree. 5 o'clock 5 times 30 degree 150 degree. 7 o'clock 7 times 30 degree to 10 degree. As many o'clock, those many 30 degrees. Don't cry. Okay. So as many o'clock, those many 30 degrees. You can see the question, you can say the answer. Are you getting me? If rounded off time is given, then. But if rounded off time is not given, randomly they are giving some timing. So randomly any timing you can say, any timing. Say any timing. Yes? 12:45. Thank you for giving me the easy question. 12:45. First take 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock, how much angle? 0 degree. Am I right? This is 12 o'clock angle. But they are asking 12:45 means 45 minutes more movement. So 45 is the time and speed is 5.5. Time into speed is the distance covered. 45 into 5.5, if I am not wrong, it will come to 47.5 degree. Am I right? Difference between these two, how much difference you are getting? 247.5 degrees. So at 12:45, the angle between the two hands is 247.5 degrees. This is only the answer. How much gap was there and how much gap is covered? Difference is the answer. My dear friend, I am saying difference. I am not saying minus. Because sometimes this value will be bigger, sometimes this value will be bigger. So bigger minus smaller. That difference itself is the answer. Is it clear? Tell me one more timing. 3:30. Thank you for giving me the easy question. 3:30. First take 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock, how much gap will be there? 3 times 30 degree? 90 degree. 30 minutes more movement. So 30 into 5.5. 30 into 5.5. If I am not wrong, it will come 165 degree. Am I right? Difference, how much you are getting? Difference? 75 degree. So at 3:30, the angle between two hands is 75 degree. This is only the answer. 3 o'clock gap enta 90. 30 minutes ఇంకా movement. So 30 into 5.5. 30 into 5.5 ఎంత వస్తుంది? 165. 165 90 మధ్యలో డిఫరెన్స్ ఎంత? 75 degree. So 75 degree gap. Is it clear? How much gap was there and how much gap is covered? That difference itself is the answer. One more question, one more. Come on. Yes? 4:47. Thank you for giving me the easy question. 4:47. First take 4 o'clock. How much gap will be there? 4 times 30 degree, that is 120 degree. 47 minutes more movement. So 47 into 5.5. Acha, all I should multiply. Some you also multiply. Come on, multiply. 47 into 5.5. How much? 58.5 degree. Difference. How much difference is there? 138.5 degree. Means 447, the angle between the two hands is 138.5 degree. This is only the answer. Is it clear? Simple it is. How much gap was there and how much gap is covered? If you wish, you can write this down. Don't cry, ma'am. It's very simple. Then, so I am giving you a question, you can try the answer. I am giving you two questions, you have to say the angle between the two hands. So first question 9:45, second question 4:40. What will be the angle between the two hands at 9:45 and 4:40? (9:45, 4:40). 100. Same. Any other answer? No? All of you got the same answer? So very simple, first question I asked 9:45. 9:45 means first you have to take 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock, how much gap will be there? 9 times 30 degree, that is 270 degree. Again 45 minutes more movement, so 45 into 5.5. 45 into 5.5, if I am not wrong, 247.5 degree. Difference how much you are getting? 22.5 degrees. So for this the answer is 22.5 degree. Clear? Anyone, any doubt? No. Second question I asked 4:40. 4:40 means first you have to take 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock, how much gap will be there? 4 times 30 degree, 120 degree. 40 minutes more movement, so 40 into 5.5. 40 into 5.5, if I am not wrong, it will come 220 degree. Difference, how much you are getting? 100 degrees. So for this the answer is 100 degree. Clear? How much gap was there and how much gap is covered? Difference itself is the answer. Simple it was. Any timing you can say the answer. Yes? Yes, no, be confident. Yes, very good. Now, let's say for example, in the GATE exam they asked 4:40 what will be the angle? 4:40 what will be the angle between the two hands? You got the answer 100 degree. You saw the first option, that is not 100 degrees, some other angle they have given. You saw second option, that is also not 100 degrees, some other angle. You saw third option, that is also not 100 degrees, some other angle. You saw fourth and the last option, that is also not 100 degrees, some other angle. Now what you will do? Tearing the paper and coming out. Foolish fellows, not giving the option properly. My dear friend, not only 100 degree, even 260 degrees is also the correct answer. Because in between two hands, one side angle is 100 degree. What will be the other side angle? 360 minus 100 means 260 degree. Means every question you will get two answers. One is normal angle, another 360 minus that angle. Are you getting me? Is it clear? Like 945, one answer you are getting 22.5 degree. What will be one more answer? 360 minus 22.5. I know that. Means how much you will get? 337.5 degree. This is also correct answer. Check out in the option which answer is given. And if both are given, which is given, both you have to select, because if it is MSQ. Are you getting me? Is it clear? Sir, your doubt is clear? Confirm? This is what you were asking. Okay, give me some time. Whatever doubt you are getting in brain, if topic is completed, it is not clear, you ask me. Okay, in the middle also you can ask, but I do understand, my dear friend, where you will get the doubt, because past 15 years experience, that is added there. Now the thing is that just by seeing the face, I can say, okay, this doubt is going to come. Not only me, other faculties also. Before you will ask the doubt, they will say, wait, I'll explain. They won't listen you, they will say directly, and they will explain. Because with experience we understand. Here the students get the doubt. Clear up till now? Yes? So first pattern is clear to you. Whatever time is given, we can say the angle between the two hands. Okay? But be careful, we'll be getting two answers. Check out in the option, out of those two, which answer is given there. And if both are given, both you have to select, because it is MSQ. Clear? Shall we proceed further? Now moving to the second pattern. Second pattern, I said it will be exactly reverse of this. They will give you the angle and they will ask you this angle will be formed at what time. So in order to understand second pattern, we should understand the clock in more depth. So let us understand clock in more depth. My dear friend, this is my good habit or bad habit, I don't know. But we HR are very good observers. We are very good observers. We watch your each and every movement. When you are talking, what you are discussing, everything. Let me tell you in placement, the time when you went to the company means from the main gate till the time you entered the HR cabin, your every movement is observed. Because in your resume you write friendly nature, adaptability nature. And from the time you entered the company's gate till the time you reach to the final round, you haven't talked with even one person. It means something wrong you have written in the resume. We observe each and everything we observe. Are you getting me? Even let me tell you, your final round is actually the formality round. HR round is the formality round. Beforehand we know that whether you are selected or rejected. We know directly. We are such good observer that without taking interview, without knowing about the person also, we can say whether you will be selected or rejected. I can say the difference between these two boys. I don't know their name, but I can say the difference. I know your name. We have met outside somewhere. No, but I can say the difference. In my company, if there is an opening for a manager, let me tell you, I'll select his profile and his profile will get rejected. But in team, if I require some person in a team, not manager, in a team, I'll select his profile will get rejected. Without knowing, just by seeing them I can say. Now don't ask me how. You want to know how? Want to know how? Okay, my dear friend, if you see him, his ears are somewhat back. Means he do not listen everything. Something he listens, something let it go. Manager, perfect person. Manager should not listen everything. Something let it go should be there. So manager, perfect profile. But his ears are standing. Means he listens each and everything very properly. So in team we require such person who listen everything properly. But this doesn't mean that when you are going for the placement of manager profile, you stick your ear and vent, or else when you are going for team member, you have kept one stick beside so that ear will be standing. See, looks are not important at all. Important is your skill. Because students, they ask me, sir, in interview, it happens like that if in front of you the candidate sitting is a very beautiful girl or very handsome guy, do you select their profile? My dear friend, let me tell you, no. No, looks are not important. Because in our company we do not go for ramp walk. We go for work. Skill is important. Skill is important. One internal matter I can say you regarding, it is recording going on. Wipro Technologies, Hyderabad. My dear friend, 10-floor building. Any floor you go. In every floor, among the employees, you will find one handsome guy and one beautiful girl. Among the employees in every floor. Do you know why? Because we take this much work from our employees that next day they will never come to the office. Only in two cases they can come back. Either they love their job or else they... So my dear friend, this is a way of motivation. We motivate them to work. No doubt, present the company where I am working, in that even the employees won't be like that. I have kept receptionist very nicely. Nice receptionist. Like for example, what happens? See, his login time is morning 9 o'clock, evening 5 he has to log out. But client pressure is there, project is not yet completed, due date has crossed, so I should make him to work. What I did, I said him to work up till night 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock. Because client pressure is there, project is to be completed. Now 10, 11 o'clock he has to work up till that time. I'll provide all the snacks, samosas, mirchi bhaji, everything I'll provide. He will be working. And next day morning 5 o'clock again he has to log in. Night 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock he'll be going outside of the office like this, very dull. I'll say to the receptionist, VHR will inform the receptionist, please take care of him. Tomorrow morning again he has to log in. That she will say, don't worry sir, I'll manage. Next morning completely dull he will be entering in the office like this. That receptionist will say very politely to him, sir, you are looking too handsome today. He'll say, today also I'll work up till night 10 o'clock, no worries. We know how to take work from you all. We know the way. We HR are the, let me tell you, only we work with our brain. How to take the work. Work is important to us, not the looks and all. So now, coming back to the topic. Coming back to the topic, my dear friend, in order to understand this second pattern, angle is given how to find the time. We should understand the clock in more depth. In a clock, when you can find a 0 degree angle or both the hand coinciding with each other, when you can find this, making a 0 degree angle or else minute hand, hour hand, both are coinciding with each other, when you can find this? At what time? 12 o'clock, very good, 12 o'clock. Only at 12 o'clock? My dear friend, every 1 hour gap, one time it will happen. Every 1 hour gap में one time वस्तुदी. हर एक घंटे के gap में एक बार आएगा. जैसे for example, you are taking this 1 hour gap in between 3 and 4. Somewhere around 316 or 317, you will find both the hands are on each other, making a 0 degree angle or coinciding. Every 1 hour, one time. If you are checking in between 6 and 7, somewhere around 632 or 633, you will find two hands are on each other, making a 0 degree angle or coinciding. Every 1 hour, one time it will be happening. So every 1 hour, one time, it means in 12 hours gap, how many times it should happen? It should happen for 12 times, but it won't happen for 12 times because for this there is a exception. Now let us understand where is the exception. Every 1 hour gap, one time it will be happening, but if you take this 1 hour gap, in between 11 and 12, in between 11 and 12, 11, 12 मध्य लो, 11 और 12 के बीच में, you will not get any 0 degree or coinciding. You can check it out. If I am not wrong, 11 o'clock will be like this. Okay. After 11, what happens? The minute hand starts moving clockwise to coincide with our hand. Till the time minute hand reaches to 11, our hand will be very near to the 12. And till the time minute hand, our hand coincide, the time will be exactly 12 o'clock. Means in between 11 and 12, it has not coincided. No doubt it coincided, but at what time? Exactly at 12 o'clock, it coincided. And because at 12 o'clock exactly it is coinciding, again in between 12 to 1, it won't coincide. So what is happening here? 11 to 12, 12 to 1. In these 2 hours gap, it should coincide for 2 times. But here it is coinciding only for 1 time. Means 1 time it is missing. Are you getting me? 11-12 మధ్యలో ఎందుకు కోయిన్సైడ్ చేయట్లేదు అంటే 12 o'clock కోయిన్సైడ్ చేయాలి. 12-1 మధ్యలో ఎందుకు కోయిన్సైడ్ చేయట్లేదు అంటే ఆల్రెడీ 12 o'clock కోయిన్సైడ్ చేశారు. అంటే both are considering 12 o'clock as its answer. So here in 2 hours gap, instead of 2 times it is coming only 1 time, that is at 12 o'clock. Means 1 time it is missing. That is the reason in 12 hours gap, instead of 12 times, 1 time it is missing, so it will come for 11 times. And in 24 hours gap, it will come for 22 times. 0 degree of coinciding, 12 hours 11 times, 24 hours 22 times. Now my dear friend, what about the angle 180 degree or both the hands exactly opposite to each other? Making 180 degree angle or two hands, minute hand, hour hand exactly opposite to each other. This also 180 degree, two hands exactly opposite to each other. Every 1 hour gap, one time you will get. Every 1 hour gap no kasar vastadi. Like for example, you are checking this 1 hour gap in between 2 and 3. Somewhere around 242 or 243, you will find two hands are exactly opposite to each other or else making 180 degree angle. Means every 1 hour one time. So every 1 hour one time means this also in 12 hours gap it should happen for 12 times. But it won't happen because for this as well there is a exception. Can you guess where is the exception? Yes. My dear friend, every 1 hour gap one time it will be coming. But if you take this 1 hour gap in between 5 and 6, in between 5 and 6 you will not get any 180 degree angle. Why? Because 6 o'clock it has to make 180 degree angle. 6 o'clock it will make 180 degree angle. And because 6 o'clock is 180 angle, again in between 6 to 7 you will not find any 180 angle. So what is happening here? 5 to 6, 6 to 7. In these 2 hours gap we should get 2 times 180, but we are getting only one time, that is at 6 o'clock. Means one time it is missing. That is the reason in 12 hours gap instead of 12 times, one time it is missing, so it will happen for 11 times, and in 24 hours gap it will happen for 22 times. Now my dear friend, let us understand, except this 0 degree and 180 degree, except these two angles, take any other angle, in every 1 hour gap it will happen for 2 times. 0 180 కాకుండా వేరే ఏదైనా యాంగిల్ తీసుకుంటే 1 hour gap లో 2 సార్లు వస్తుంది. 60 degree 1 hour gap 2 times, 120 degree 1 hour gap 2 times, 210 degree 1 hour gap 2 times. Any other angle you take except 0 and 180, in 1 hour gap it will happen for 2 times. Now don't ask me, sir, what about 360 degree? 360 degree 1 hour 1 time only. Or 1 time only, because 360 degree is actually 0 degree. I am saying except 0 and 180, any other angle 1 hour gap it will happen for 2 times. So I take one familiar angle. I think 90 degree is familiar to all of us. 90 degree. My dear friend, 90 degree in every 1 hour gap we will get for 2 times. Let us take an example in between 4 and 5. This 1 hour we are taking. First time you will find somewhere around 4.6 or 4.7, the angle between two hands will be 90 degree. Right? Again you will find somewhere around 4.38 or 4.39, again the angle between two hands will be 90 degree. Means in between 4 and 5 in 1 hour gap, how many times we got 90 degree? 2 times. So 1 hour gap 2 times means in 12 hours gap how many times it should come? 24 times. But it won't happen for 24 times, because for this as well there is a exception. Now let us understand where is the exception for this 90 degree. Every 1 hour gap it will be happening for 2 times, but if you take this 1 hour gap in between 2 and 3, in between 2 and 3 you will not get 2 times 90 degree, but you will get only 1 time 90 degree. Why? Where is the second time 90 degree? The second time 90 degree will be directly at 3 o'clock. Second time 90 degree direct 3 o'clock vastadi. And because 3 o'clock is 90 degree, again in between 3 to 4 you will not get 2 times 90 degree, you will get only 1 time. So what is happening here? 2 to 3, 3 to 4. In these 2 hours gap we should get 4 times 90 degree. But we are getting how many times? 3 times. 2 నుంచి 3 మధ్యలో first time, exact 3 o'clock second time, 3 నుంచి 4 మధ్యలో third time. So instead of 4 times it is coming only for 3 times. So 1 time it is missing. Am I right? Same is the case. In between 8 and 9 you will get only 1 time 90 degree, because 9 o'clock is also 90 degree. 270 degree means other side angle is 90 degree. Again in between 9 to 10 you will get only 1 time 90 degree. So 1 time it is missing this side, 1 time this side. So overall it is missing for 2 times. That is the reason in 12 hours gap, instead of 24 times it is missing for 2 times. So it will happen for 22 times, and in 24 hours gap it will happen for 44 times. This is not only for 90 degree, it is for any angle, any degree, except 0 and 180. 0 180 కాకుండా వేరే ఏదైనా యాంగిల్ తీసుకుంటే 12 hours లో 22 times వస్తుంది, 24 hours లో 44 times వస్తుంది. Exception timing can be different. I am not saying that all the angle will be having exception at this place only. I am not saying like that. Different angle will be having exception at different places, but in 12 hours it will be 22 times, 24 hours 44 times, 0 180 కాకుండా. Is it clear? Done? Now my dear friend, let us understand. Just now I said, in between 2 and 3, you will get only one time 90 degree, because second time 90 degree will be directly at 3 o'clock. So they may ask you the question like this, that in between 2 o'clock and 3 o'clock, at what time will get this 90 degree angle? In between 2 and 3, at what time you will get this 90 degree angle? So this is the second pattern. Angle they are providing, they are asking you timing. 2 తర్వాత బట్ 3 ముందు మనకి 90 డిగ్రీ యాంగిల్ ఎప్పుడు వస్తుంది, ఏ టైంలో వస్తుంది, ఆ ఎగ్జాక్ట్ టైం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. 2 తర్వాత, ఆఫ్టర్ 2 బట్ బిఫోర్ 3. సో ఆఫ్టర్ 2 టేక్ 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock యాంగిల్ ఎంత? 2 o'clock యాంగిల్ ఎంత? 2 times 30 degree అంటే 60 degree angle is there at 2 o'clock. But they asked us after 2, it should be 90 degree angle. As I say, after 2, this minute hand will start moving clockwise towards the hour hand. 2 తర్వాత minute hand will start moving towards hour hand. Before reaching hour hand, can we get gap between them as 90 degree? Before reaching hour hand? No, because gap is very small. A gap 100 degree unte chance was there. Out of 100, 10 it will move, remaining gap will become 90 degree. But gap is very small, it means before reaching hour hand we cannot get 90 degree gap. So if 90 degree gap is to be made, what this minute hand should do? First it should cover all this 60 degree, reach to hour hand, మళ్ళీ hour hand నుంచి 90 degree ముందుకు వెళ్ళాలి, then 90 degree gap will come. Am I right? So how much distance minute hand covered from initial position? 60 plus 90. అంటే ఎంత distance cover చేసింది minute hand? 150 degree. 60 degree to make 0 and again 90 degree further to make 90 gap. Okay, so total distance covered by minute hand is 150 degree. With what speed? 5.5 speed, because we are not moving by our hand. Distance by speed. This is the time formula. You will get the time. You must be knowing 5.5 table. 5.5 1 is 5.5, 5.5 is 11, 5.5 is 16.5, 5.5 is 22. You know 5.5 table? No? Don't know? Okay, don't worry. Multiply 2 in numerator and denominator. Then it will become 300 by 11. You know 11 table? 11 1 is 11, 11 2 is 22, 11 3 is 33. If you don't know 11 table, tomorrow we'll keep special class for 11 table. Okay, so 300 divided by 11. First will be 30. Means 11 2 is 22. Remainder 8. It becomes 80. 11 7 is 77. Now remainder is 3. Means 3 is to be still divided by 11. So 27 3 by 11 minutes. This much time it will take. This much time from where? From 2 o'clock. So what will be the timing? It will be 2:27 3 by 11. This particular time will be having a gap of 90 degree. It is not exactly 2:27, not exactly 2:28. 2:27 and 3 by 11th of the minute. That exact time it will be making a gap of 90 degree. Is it clear? Yes? Very good. Huh? 3 by 11 again multiply into 60 you do, it will convert into seconds. 6 is 18, 180 by 11 అంటే 11 1 is 11, మిగిలిందంట 770, 11 6 అంటే 16 point some change seconds. మళ్ళీ మిల్లీ సెకండ్లో కూడా కన్వర్ట్ చేయొచ్చు. So shall we discuss one more example so that it will be more clear to you? One more example. Let's say that they have given the question that in between 4 o'clock and 5 o'clock at what time we'll get 100 degree angle. 4 తర్వాత బట్ 5 ముందు మనకి 100 degree angle ఏ టైంలో వస్తుంది, ఎగ్జాక్ట్ ఏ టైంలో వస్తుంది, ఆఫ్టర్ 4 బట్ బిఫోర్ 5. సో ఫస్ట్ టేక్ 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock angle ఎంత, 4 o'clock angle ఎంత, 4 times 30, 120 degree angle is there at 4 o'clock. But they want that after 4 gap should be 100 degree. As I say, after 4 this minute hand will start moving clockwise towards the hour hand. Before reaching hour hand, can we get gap between them as 100 degree? Yes. Until out of 120, how much distance minute hand should cover so that remaining gap will be 100? 20 degree. So 20 degree is the distance to be covered by minute hand with the speed of 5.5 into 2 into 2, if I am not wrong, 40 by 11, which is equal to 11 3s are 33, remainder 7. So 7 by 11 means 4:03 7 by 11. This particular time will be getting a 100 degree angle. Is it clear? But my dear friend, before writing, let me tell you, this is one answer. I said every angle in 1 hour gap, it will happen for 2 times. So one more answer can be there. One more answer how? If this minute hand covers 120 degree completely, reach to hour hand, and again from hour hand it goes further 100 degree. Again gap between two hands will become 100 degree. So how much distance minute hand covered from initial position? 120 plus 100 means how much? 220 degree it is covering. With what speed? 5.5 speed into 2 into 2, if I am not wrong, 440 by 11, which is equal to 11 4s are 44, 11 zeros are 0, means exactly at 440 this particular time also will be getting a 100 degree angle. Means in the previous pattern chances were there will get 2 answer. In this pattern also chances are there you will get 2 answer, because every angle in 1 hour gap it happens for 2 times. So check out in the option which answer is given, and if both are given, both you have to select. Is it clear? One more important thing, in the previous pattern I think I gave you the question 440 what will be the angle. Did I ask that question? 440 angle enta? Meer enta annaru? 440 angle 100 degree annaru. This is just reverse of that. A 100 degree eppudu vastadi, 440 lo vastadi. Just reverse of that. Doubt unna? Clear కదా? Personal, very personal. My Clear? I think clear to all? Yes? Shall I give the question then? Okay, try the answer for it. My dear friend, regarding your observation, let me tell you, when we were in the college, if the lecture is not going properly, if we are not feeling well, the lecture, do you know what we used to do? The faculty used to understand, oh, some boring subject is going on. And some people, means time అయిపోయింది ఇంకా. So here I am seeing some people are seeing like this. My dear friend, we'll cover this topic. I'll give you lunch break. Don't worry regarding that. Okay? Every day you eat. One day you can keep fasting. What's there? For aptitude, you can do vratam. I'll give you the timing for lunch break. Don't worry. We'll cover this. So let us understand. I am giving you 2 questions, and for each question I require at least 2 correct answers, because every angle in 1 hour gap it will happen for 2 times. So at least 2 correct answers every question. Okay, so 2 questions I am giving you. First question is, in between 6 o'clock and 7 o'clock at what time you will get 30-degree angle? And second question is, in between 1 o'clock and 2 o'clock at what time you will get 100-degree angle? These are the 2 questions. And for each question at least 2 correct answer. कम से कम 2 correct answer मुझे चाहिए, क्योंकि हर एंगल 1 hour के गैप में 2 बार होता है. సార్ అట్లా హిందీ మాట్లాడితే నాకు ఎలా అర్థమవుతుంది సార్? మీరు ఏదో చెప్తున్నారు హిందీలో. 6:27 3/11. One more answer. దీనికే 2 ఆన్సర్ కావాలి. $38. ఇంకొక ఆన్సర్ 6:27 3/11. $112 is not the answer. ఎందుకంటే 112లో ఆర్ హ్యాండ్ 1 తర్వాత ఉంటుంది, మినిట్ హ్యాండ్ ఏమో 2 తర్వాత ఉంటుంది. 1 నుంచి 2 మధ్యలో అంటే 30-degree గ్యాప్, మనకి 100-degree గ్యాప్ కావాలి. 123 7/11 ఇంకొక ఆన్సర్ 2 ఆన్సర్స్ కావాలి కదా 141 ఆయన చేసిన మిస్టేక్ మీరు చేస్తున్నారు ఆల్రెడీ 100 గ్యాప్ ఉంది మీరు ఇంకా 100 ముందుకే తీసుకెళ్తున్నారు అంటే 100 అంటే 200 గ్యాప్ అవుతుంది మనకు 200 గ్యాప్ కాదు 100 గ్యాప్ కావాలి 6 Any other answer? So now my dear friend, here the last option, all of these. Okay. Let's see what is the answer. First question they are asking, in between 6 o'clock and 7 o'clock at what time will get 30-degree angle? After 6 but before 7. So after 6, let us take 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock, what is the angle? 180-degree angle is there at 6 o'clock. But after 6, we want gap should be 30-degree. As I say, after 6, minute hand will start moving clockwise towards the hour hand. Before reaching hour hand, can we get gap between them as 30-degree? Before reaching. Yes or no? Yes. So out of 180, how much distance minute hand should cover so that remaining gap will be 30-degree? How much? 150-degree distance minute hand should cover. With what speed? 5.5 into 2 into 2, 300 by 11, which is 11 2s are 22, remainder 8, 80, 11 7s are 77, remainder 3, means 3 is to be still divided by 11. So 27, 3 by 11 minutes it will take from where? From 6 o'clock. So timing will be 6:27 3 by 11. This particular time will be getting a 30-degree angle. Clear? Any queries? No. Now this is one answer. But every angle in 1 hour gap, it happens for 2 times. So one more answer should be there. One more answer how? If this minute hand covers 180 completely, reach to hour hand. Malli hour hand దగ్గర నుంచి ఇంకా 30 degree ముందుకు వెళ్ళింది. Again the gap will be 30 degree. Ante minute hand, how much distance it is covering from initial position? 180 plus 30. So 180 plus 30 means 210 degree with the speed of 5.5 into 2 into 2, if I am not wrong, 420 by 11, which is equal to 11 3s are 33, remainder 9, 90, 11 8s are 88, remainder 2, means 2 is to be still divided by 11. So 38 2 by 11 minutes it will take from 6 o'clock. So timing will be 6:38 2 by 11. This particular time also will be getting a 30-degree angle. Is it clear to all? These are the 2 correct answers. All those who got extra than this, check it out what mistake you are doing. One more important thing, many of the students they ask me, sir, why you are asking us whether we know 5.5 table or 11 table or not. Anyhow, my calculator, sorry, Mudu Peru, my calci will be there with me. Let me tell you this calci, your calculator will leave you when you are writing the exam, GATE exam. Outside of the room it will be waiting there for you. It won't come inside with you. So there your calculator will leave you. So don't believe that calculator. Don't show your love for your calculator. It is going to leave you in the examination, because in the examination they will provide you a virtual calculator. And let me tell you, the student who have already written this GATE exam, ask them that virtual calculator runs little slow. So till the time you move and get the answer, you know the 11 table, directly you can reach to the answer. Are you getting me? Is it clear? That is the reason I am saying multiply into 2 in the numerator denominator. See, where calculator is compulsory required, like in your technical subject, compulsory calculator is required, there you can use it. Where without calculator you can do without calculator. Are you getting me? Save your time, because time management is also important there. Not only getting the correct answer, within time you have to say the answer. Is it clear? Yes? So let us move to the second one. Second question I asked, in between 1 o'clock and 2 o'clock, at what time we'll get 100 degree angle? After 1 but before 2. So after 1, take 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock, what is the angle? 1 o'clock angle is 30 degree. But mana gap enta kavali 100 degree. So before reaching, after 1, minute hand started moving clockwise towards the R hand. Before reaching R hand, can we get 100 degree gap? No, because gap is very small. So if 100 degree gap is to be made, what this minute hand should do? First it should cover 30 degree, reach to R hand. Again from there it should cover 100 degree. Then 100 degree gap will come. So how much distance minute hand covered from initial position? 30 plus 100 means 130 degree with the speed of 5.5 into 2 into 2, 260 by 11, which is equal to 11 2s are 22, remainder 4, 40, 11 3s are 33, remainder 7. So 7 by 11. Satyam, correct answer. So 23, 7 by 11 minutes it will take from 1 o'clock. So timing will be 123, 7 by 11. This particular time will be getting a 100 degree angle. Clear? But this is one answer. I said every angle in 1 hour gap, it happens for 2 times. So one more answer should be there. Now how to find one more answer? How we are getting 2 answers? If you see the previous question, first answer we are getting before reaching R hand. Second answer we are getting after crossing R hand. But in this second question, whatever answer we got, that was after crossing R hand. Before reaching R hand, we did not get any answer. Sometimes before reaching R hand, you will get one answer, and after crossing you will not get the second answer. Whereas other time, before reaching you will not get any answer, after crossing the R hand you will get one answer. So in such cases, in order to find the second answer, take the reflex angle and proceed. Take the reflex angle and proceed. I mean to say, they are asking you the gap of 100 degree. You try to make a gap of 260 degree. 260 degree, is it a universal truth? No. 360 minus 100. Because we know in between 2 hands, one side if I make an angle 260 degree, what will be the other side angle? Definitely 100 degree. Am I right? They are not asking you 260, they are asking you 100, but we are writing 260 by our own. Is it clear why we are trying to find 260? Yes, no? Yes? Come back. 1 o'clock gap enta? 30. Mana gap enta kavali? 260 kavali. So before reaching R hand we cannot get 260 gap. After crossing we will get. Ante minute hand first 30 cover cheyali, malli akkadi nunchi 260 cover cheyali, then 260 gap vastadi. So 30 plus 260 ante minute hand enta cover chestundi? 290. A speed to 5.5 into 2 into 2 cheste 580 by 11, which is equal to 11 5s are 55, remainder 3 మిగిలింది 30, 11 2s are 22, remainder 8 మిగిలింది అంటే 8 by 11, అంటే 52 8 by 11 minutes from 1 o'clock, అంటే at 1:52 8 by 11, this particular time we will be getting a 260 degree angle, and 260 degree angle means that other side angle is 100 degrees. So this is my second answer. If you are not getting second answer, take the reflex angle and proceed. You will get the second answer as well. Is it clear to all? సార్ మీరు ఎట్లా చెప్తే నేను సన్యాస్ తీసుకుంటా సార్, హిమాలయ వెళ్ళిపోతా సార్. or else, my dear friend, this second answer I can say you in one more way. Shall I say in one more way? Okay, let us understand this second answer in one more method. See, what is the question? In between 1 o'clock and 2 o'clock, at what time we'll get 100-degree angle? After 1 but before 2. After 1 but before 2. Before 2. So let us take 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock angle enta? 60. And before 2 they want 100-degree gap. Before 2 means minute hand we should move back, then it will become before 2. So enta back move cheste 100-degree gap avutadi. 40. Already 60 gap undi. Inka 40 income cheste definitely adi 100 gap అయిపోతది. So 40 is the distance to be covered by minute hand with the speed of 5.5 into 2 into 2, 80 by 11. అంటే 11 7s are 77, రిమైండర్ ఎంత మిగిలింది 3. సో 3 by 11. సో 7 3 by 11 minutes మనం బ్యాక్ తీసుకెళ్ళాలి, అంటే సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేయాలి. అంటే ఈ వాల్యూకి 2 o'clock లో సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేయాలి. 2 o'clock లో 7 minutes సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తే, ఓన్లీ 7 minutes సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తే టైం ఎంత అవుతుంది? 153. బట్ 153 లో మనం 3 by 11 కూడా సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేయాలి. సో టైం ఎంత అవుతుంది? 152, 8 by 11. దిస్ పర్టికులర్ టైం వీఆర్ హ్యావింగ్ అ గ్యాప్ ఆఫ్ 100-degree. With what speed you are moving for the same speed you can move back also in the ending timing. But be careful, when you are moving back, ending timing lo anta value subtract cheyali. Are you getting me? Clear to all? So my dear friend, in the first pattern you were getting 2 answer. Second pattern also chances are there you will get 2 answer. Because every angle in 1 hour gap it happens for 2 times. Now, one more important thing. Every angle in 1 hour gap it will happen for 2 times, but in 12 hours gap it won't happen for 24 times, it will happen only for 22 times. Ante edo oka place lo every angle is having the exception. ఇప్పుడు మనకి ఎలా అర్థమవుతుంది that we are not getting here 2 answer, only 1 answer, because everywhere we are trying to answer. Are you getting me? How to understand that here we are not having 2 answer, only 1 answer? Here there is an exception. Consider you got 1 answer, and for the second answer you are forced to take the reflex angle and proceed. Even after taking reflex angle and proceeding, here your answer becomes 60 minutes or more, then you can understand there is only 1 answer. Because 60 minutes means you are crossing 1 hour. Are you getting me? Like for example, shall I rub this? Like for example, consider they asked us the question that in between 2 o'clock and 3 o'clock, at what time we'll get 90-degree angle? This is the question. 2 నుంచి 3 మధ్యలో 90-degree angle ఎప్పుడు వస్తుంది? And we don't know that here 90-degree is having exception. We'll try to answer. So 2 o'clock gap enta 60, minute gap enta kavali 90. After 2, once I say after 2, minute hand started moving clockwise towards the hour hand. Before reaching hour hand we cannot get 90 gap. After crossing we'll get, so how much minute hand has to cover? 60 plus 90 ante 150 with the speed of 5.5 into 2 into 2, 300 by 11, which is equal to 11 2s are 22, remainder 8, 80, 11 7s are 77, remainder 3, so 3 by 11 ante 2:27 3 by 11. इस पर्टिकुलर टाइम पे आपको 90-degree का एंगल आएगा. दिस इज द 1 आंसर. Am I right? This is 1 answer. We require second answer also. Now this answer we got after crossing the hour hand. Before reaching hour hand we did not get any answer. So now to find the second answer we should take reflex angle and proceed. Okay. So what will be the reflex for 90? 360 minus 90 enta 270-degree. Now we'll try to get 270-degree gap to get the second answer. Am I right? Come back. 2 o'clock gap enta 60. Mana gap enta kavali 270. After 2, before reaching hour hand we cannot get 270 gap. After crossing hour hand we can get 270 gap. So minute hand has to cover 60 and 270. Then 270 gap will come. So 60 plus 270 means minute hand covered how much? 330 with the speed of 5.5 into 2 into 2 ante 660 by 11. అంటే 11 6 are 66, 11 0 are 0 అంటే 2:60 2:07. There is no such timing. This is 3 o'clock now. So this is not the answer. So we have only 1 answer here. That is what I am trying to explain you. Even though after taking reflex angle, here your answer is coming 60 minutes or more than that, you can understand there is only one answer. Because every angle is having exception at some or the other place. And in order to remember that which angle is having exception at what place, it is a critical job. So like this you understand, okay, this angle is having exception here, we cannot get two answer, only one answer. Is it clear to you? Yes? Confirm? Okay. My dear friend, whatever I am explaining you, these all I am explaining you based on time and distance. See, there is no such concept given in any of the books. This is completely I am explaining you based on time and distance. Because I feel that I should say you one concept and at least 2-3 topics should be covered in that only. When I will be explaining you time and distance topic, at that time I will not explain any question based on circular movement. Because circular movement we are covering here itself. Circular path movement I won't explain there the question. That we are covering here itself. Are you getting me? One concept, 2-3 topics covered. Okay? These are not given in any of the books. By own we are doing with time and distance concept. Clear? Now, these were the two patterns of the clock, but I think introduction of aptitude I said, aptitude means if required without using pen, paper, calculator. And here I am saying everyone is using pen, paper, even calculator. My dear friend, without pen, paper you can do it. Believe yourself. You can do it without pen, paper also. Try it. I will give you a question. Try it without pen, paper, calculator. Try it. Shall I give the question? Try it. Take your own time. No worries. Whatever you are doing with pen, paper, try to do orally without pen, paper, without calculator. So first pattern I said you, timing will be given. You have to find angle between the two hands. So I will say you the timing. You have to say the angle between the two hands at that particular time. First pattern. Shall I say the timing? Don't write. Don't use calculator. Just listen the question. Tell me the answer. So 2:10 gap enta untadi 2:10 2 10 2:10 gap enta 5 degrees. Very good, excellent, superb, marvelous, genius, extraordinary. 2:10 the gap between the two hands will be 5 degrees. 2 o'clock gap enta 60. 2 o'clock gap 60. 2:10 ఇచ్చారు అంటే 10 minutes movement ఇంకా చేయాలి. So 10 into 5.5. The 0 of 10 and 5.5 decimal it is gone. So that becomes 55 degree. 2 o'clock gap ఏమో 60 degree. దాంట్లో 55 degree కవర్ చేశారు. 60-55 మధ్యలో గ్యాప్ ఎంత ఉంది 5 degrees. So difference is 5 degrees. So at 2:10 the gap between the two hands will be 5 degree. Is it clear? See, you are genius, you can do it. 2:10 don't think it as it will be 0 degree. చాలా మంది అంటారు సార్ 2:10 0 degree. It won't be 0 degree. అంటే 2:10 లో మినిట్ హ్యాండ్ నో డౌట్ 2 లో ఉంటుంది. బట్ ఆర్ హ్యాండ్ 2 లో ఉండదు. 2 కన్నా కొంచెం ముందు ఉంటుంది. ఎంత ముందు అంటే 5 degree ముందు ఉంటుంది. Is it clear? Are you getting me? One more question. 6:30 6:30 6:30 6:30 6:30 లో గ్యాప్ ఎంత? So what is the answer? 6:30? 15 degree. Because 6 o'clock gap enta 6 times 30 ante 180 degree. 180 degree is 6 o'clock gap. They are asking us 6:30 ante 30 minutes inka movement cheyali. So 30 into 5.5. The 0 at 30 and 5.5 decimal is gone. Ante 55 3 times. 55 2 times 110, 110 plus 55. Ante 55 3 times is 165. 6 o'clock gap emo 180. దాంట్లో 165 కవర్ చేశారు. 180 165 మధ్యలో డిఫరెన్స్ ఎంత? 15 degree. అంటే 6:30 the gap between the two hands will be 15 degree. Is it clear? Or else if you can recall the watch, how the watch look like at 6:30? 6:30 లో minute hand will be exactly at 6. Minute hand exact 6 లో ఉంటుంది. And where will be the hour hand? 6 7 మధ్యలో ఉంటుంది, మిడిల్ లో. 6 నుంచి 7 వరకు gap ఏమో 30 degree. Half gap it is covering. So gap will be how much? 15 degree. See, you are genius, you can do it without pen paper. So my dear friend, you are doing orally very nicely. So third pattern, I will say you without pen paper, calculator, marker, board on this. Because you are genius students, you do orally very nicely. So without pen paper. Third pattern I said gain or lose. Some of the watches, even if you correct, again it becomes fast. We call it as gaining watch. Some of the watches, even if you correct, again it slow down. We call it as losing watch. So just listen the question and tell me the answer. A watch is there which gains 5 minutes in every 1 hour. Ante every 1 hour lo adi 5 minutes fast అయిపోతది. A watch which gains 5 minutes in every 1 hour was set correct at 5 AM. మార్నింగ్ 5 o'clock లేసి మీరు అది 5 o'clock చేసేసారు. ఆ వాచ్ కి 5 కి 5 చేసేసారు. ఓకే, a watch which gains 5 minutes in every 1 hour was set correct at 5 AM. What will be the time shown by that watch at 1 PM same day? మధ్యాహ్నం 1 o'clock ఆ వాచ్ మనకు ఎంత టైం చూపిస్తుంది? ఎవ్రీ 1 hour లో అది 5 minutes గెయిన్ చేస్తుంది. It will show you 140. ఎందుకంటే మార్నింగ్ 5 నుంచి మధ్యాహ్నం 1 వరకు ఎన్ని అవర్స్ గ్యాప్ అది? 8 hours గ్యాప్. 5 to 6 1 hour గ్యాప్. 6 to 12 6 hours గ్యాప్. మొత్తం 7. 12 నుంచి 1 మళ్ళీ 1 hour గ్యాప్. సో మొత్తం 8 hours గ్యాప్ అది. ఎవ్రీ 1 hour ఇట్ ఈస్ గెయినింగ్ 5 minutes. అంటే 8 hours లో ఎంత గెయిన్ చేస్తుంది? 8 5s are 40 minutes. So it will become 40 minutes fast. So instead of showing you 1 o'clock, it will show you directly 1:40. See, without pen paper you can do it. One more question. A watch loses 10 minutes in every 1 hour. Losing means slowing down. A watch which loses 10 minutes in every 1 hour was set correct at 4 AM. What will be the time shown by that watch at 4 PM the same day? It will show you 2 PM. Because morning 4 to evening 4. How many hours gap? 12 hours gap. Every 1 hour it was losing 10 minutes. Ante 12 hours lo 120 minutes. So 120 minutes it will become slow. 120 minutes ante 2 hours slow. Ante evening 4 o'clock nunchi 2 hours less. So it will show you madhyanam 2 o'clock, 2 PM. Is it clear? My dear friend, Vizag lo kuda 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. Because some people are saying me, acha sir, 120 minutes means 2 hours sir. Gajab sir. Eppudu ayindi adi. Vizag lo kuda 60 minutes is 1 hour, or some changes you have done. Clear? So 120 minutes means 2 hours less. Evening 4 nunchi 2 hours less, so 2 PM. Clear? This was your topic, calendars and clocks. But let me tell you, in clocks one more pattern of question will be there, which we'll discuss when we are discussing the concept of chain rule. When I will be explaining you chain rule, at that time we'll discuss one more pattern of the clock. So at that time remind me, sir, clock some pattern was missing. So based on chain rule we'll discuss one more pattern. Is it clear? So this was your topic, calendars and clocks. So my dear friend, now right now the time is somewhere around 1:45. How much time you require lunch break? We'll eat for 1 hour. You don't look like that. Everyone looks like some 10-15 minutes only. Myself only 2 minutes. Okay, so now it is 1:45, so meet you sharp at 2:45. We'll continue with the next topic of aptitude. Till then, keep practicing. Take care. Bye-bye.